Yeah, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about a one tower system. This is called a one tower system. As you can see, it's almost complete. It has a net cap holes. This is about a 35 plant tower vertical system. As you can see, it has a pump here. So this pump is the one responsible for pumping water up. Inside here, water is flowing, and what we expect to see is just get your net cap holes and you plant. You plant like this. Let me pick two plants and I'll show you how it works. So I have lettuce here, which is growing nicely. It's about 1 week, and here you just put your plants like this, and you just keep monitoring the water. The water here, make sure that the water is at good level, and if you're adding more water, you make sure you add water with the nutrients to make sure that the pH and ppm don't go too low or too high. So the water is flowing, though it doesn't make that much noise, but the plants are getting irrigated, as you can see. In the system here, there is water flowing inside, and the irrigation is taking place. So you might ask what this would be. This one is a transformer which converts power into, it lowers power because this pipe is based on this pump is based on the American electricity, but here in Uganda, where I am, the electricity is different, so I had to step down the power. So you can see this is irrigation is taking place, and the way we've made it is that let me first switch off here. Is that you can illustrate here. We have a sprinkler up here. Videographer, if you can pay attention, this is a sprinkler. It's connected to the hose pipe. Yeah? The sprinkler has holes, as you can see. Let me show you a clear sprinkler. And the sprinkler, the way it works, I have one which I had worked on. Just 1 minute. The sprinkler, I made some sprinklers. Sprinkler looks like this, because if you don't use sprinkler, the water might flow on one side. So when the water gets here, at least it is spread to the different direction. So if it's because it's a bit tall, but that's how we've connected the sprinkler to this pipe. What we've done is we've put a hole here, and we've pushed in this connector, and it's the one that pushes water up. But of course, you need also to put some kind of I call it this stuff here. For those of you who know about irrigation, you put a hole here. Then you push in this, and when you, after pushing in this into the hole, you make sure you make the right hole. Then you push in this like this. So I'm just trying to illustrate how the system is up here. So as the water goes up, it is spread in different direction, and that's how these plants are getting irrigated. So this is a sprinkler we made. This is of course a T, and this is an end. All these are end caps. Very easy. Most of these things you can get from any store, any hardware store. So this is how we've connected, and our sprinkler is working very well. So if you see that the pump is not working properly, it means that it has taken in a lot of air within this pipe. So you put it off, and first get rid of the air that might be inside, and then you put it back very well like this, and make sure that you open here. If you close, the pump won't work. So you open like this, and then you put in your pump. It has even has these pieces which enable the pump to sit very well, such that when you switch on, your pump will start pumping water up, and then the irrigation will start. You can see the irrigation is taking place, and the things are being irrigated. Though the speed is not that much, but you need to make sure that you get a very good pump which can push water up to max height of 3 to 4 meters, depending on your system. So this is how it works, and the irrigation is taking place. Let me put it here, and that's how your vertical tower works. And you can always close here, and it will do a good job for you. So videographer, please focus. My videographer seems is tired. Probably hasn't taken tea. Maybe videographer, you need to first take tea. You'll be okay. We're about to finish. So this is how the system works, and you can even get water from. If you don't want to put water here, you can as well get the water from another reservoir, depending on what you want. So because this is a little short, you can always get water, extend it like this. I'm showing you all the options, so it will depend on you what you prefer. So I can decide to get water from this side here, from this. So if I do this and I switch on, again water will be flowing up. But of course the challenge here, the water has to come back to this reservoir, so it's better to keep the pump here in the water here. But I'm just showing you in case you had so many vertical towers. Here it will work like this, because here you can connect. You can put it here which connects to, and then you find a way of getting back the water into the reservoir. It means that you have to put the reservoir somewhere below. So this is what I wanted to explain. So you can see water is coming through, but when of course the pump is a little stronger, it will flow with energy. But even the water that's coming through here is enough to irrigate, because when you irrigate, you don't need to just pour too much, just put just enough. So this is how the system works. To give you an idea, so you can see here the leakages. Where you see leakage here, it means that you just put the net cap hole and make sure it tightens a bit, and and you'll be able to have your plants irrigated. With that, thank you very much for listening to me. Please share my videos, follow for more, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to sharing more ideas in the hydroponics journey. And we have so many other systems described in the previous videos. This is a simple system, just a basin. This is plywood. I know it will get time and it gets old, but plywood is cheap. You can always put another one. We can always open here and close like this. So the sky is the limit in hydroponics. You can have 20 of these. 20 of these will give you 600 plants, and you will be in business of selling either lettuce or leafy greens. With that, thank you, bye for now, and a happy Saturday.